Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and if any of you have a dog and do a lot of water sports or pool, this is a dog life jacket by SUNFURA, and this one here is in small. It does come in double X small all the way up to extra large, which is amazing. Comes in so many different colors. This one here is pink. This is a small because I do have two little Chihuahuas, and it's pretty cool. It has the safety strap that you're able to grab your dog in an emergency if you want to grab them. It also has this clip as well that you're able to clip them on to either a leash or whatever you have if you're boating. And you also have extra support on the bottom here with the Velcro strap. It is very durable, it's very comfortable for your dog as well, and you do have 3 different clips. You got 2 straps here which are adjustable on the bottom for your dog, and around the neck you're able to Velcro it as well to make it as comfortable as possible so that they get the most support that they can, so that it's going to save their lives as well. And it does have a fastening clip which is adjustable right to your dog. I use it for my dogs in the pool. If I go to the beach and I'm doing any kind of water activities, I will have it on my dog, and it has lasted me a very long time. It has nice cushioning in it. My dogs never complain. They absolutely love the feeling of it. So that makes it even better. So it's very easy for me to be able to put it on without a fuss. And that's my point of view.